Hello and welcome back to electricpetrolhead. Today we're going to be talking about Xpeng, or Xpeng if you pronounce it more sort of Western-like, but this is a Chinese brand and they are really growing so well. People talk about it being potentially the next Tesla, and I must say their cars look really good. So in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can invest and buy shares in Xpeng if you want to from the UK, which is not always straightforward, and I'm going to talk about why as a company I think they're one to really look out for, whether or not you want to buy the shares. So in terms of shares, it's good old Freetrade. That's the app I use in the UK to buy shares in Xpeng. I've got a tiny amount of money invested in them, and this really is not financial advice. This is just sort of signposting you to one, Freetrade, which is a really good app, and to just open your eyes maybe to another electric car brand which is growing. And what happened last year is the share price was just ticking along quite nicely, and then at sort of about Q3, getting into Q4, it just spiked up loads. And a few friends I know actually made quite a bit of money in buying sort of when it was lower, and then saw the spike go up, bought more, and then sold and made a good return. But it then peaked and went back down again, and we're now sort of about half the place it was. Is it going to continue climbing? Is this going to be the start of, a Tesla-like curve? I just don't know. So again, this is not financial advice. I'm not suggesting you buy the shares. I'm just helping you if you want to. They've got a few different models already. The G3 is actually already coming over to Europe and probably the UK very soon. If you go over to my friends at Fully Charged, they've got some good videos on them. So they've also got the P7, which is kind of like the Model S competitor, and it looks really nice. I'm quite looking forward to seeing these in person, because I think they're covering a lot of the bases really well. And like the Chinese tend to do, they can scale and sort of grow the company so quickly that you could start seeing quite a lot of these cars on the road. There's two other really good reasons that I personally think they're quite interesting. One is they've got a lot of cash, which is really needed. You can see how Tesla's growth in the past has been slowed down by just lack of cash. The fact that they've got all that cash on hand means there could be a lot of growth there, which is just great for EVs in general, because we want more cars out there and more choice. So that's a very good thing. And the other one is this sort of never-ending question of whether Apple are going to partner with someone like Xpeng, or they're going to go and build their own car. Probably going to be the former, but who are they going to partner with? That's a big question. And whoever they do, once that press release comes out, that share price is going to spike. But again, I don't know who's it going to be. In summary, if you're interested in investing in the stock of Xpeng and you live in the UK, then use the app Freetrade. They're a really good company, and the way they've dealt with the recent issues in sort of Robin Hood in America, I've been really, really impressed, and I'm proud to be a user of their app. I'm not an investor in them, I'm just a user. Freetrade is the place to go. Should you invest in them? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to say whether you should or not. I just think they're quite an interesting company. And along with NIO, I think are two of the most interesting sort of Chinese automotive brands to come out, who really could take the battle to Tesla. But as always, the real loser in this is the petrol and diesel world. They're the ones losing the sales. Tesla are growing, and so are these other brands. So it's all good for the electric car world, and I look forward to seeing more on the road. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting and useful, please consider subscribing. It'd be really appreciated by me, and I look forward to seeing you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye.